In this lesson, I want to show you how to make a cup with a straw in SolidWorks. We will start drawing it like this. Let's create a decagon from the center. We make two of its edges horizontal. This is the horizontal relationship in this context. Here we enable horizontal. Exit the sketch. Let's go ahead and create a brand new plane from the top plane. Let's gently raise it up by 150 millimeters, just like that. Okay. Now, on it, we'll draw the same shape as we did before. Only this time, make it a little bit bigger. Like this. Now select one edge of this shape and one edge of the previous shape, and make them parallel. Exit the sketch, hide the plane, and create another plane again. But this time the plane will be from the one we just created. Let's decrease the distance to not 150 millimeters but 20. Okay. Now, on this plane, let's draw a circle, even bigger than our previous shape. So, exit the sketch, and again hide our plane. Create a new plane from the one we made recently. Here, let's set it to 100 millimeters. Okay. Now, let's draw the largest circle there. Like this 80 millimeters in radius. We exit the sketch and hide the planes. Now let's take the loft tool and connect all of this with the loft. Select this and this and move this line here. Now something is starting to appear, but for now it's still twisted. Let's set this line vertically so it stops being twisted. Connect this to this. Enter. Now this to this. Just like that. Enter. And now we get something that already looks like a glass. Now let's add the fillet here and here. There. Here we offer different selection options. The third option suits us. Let's set it to 30 here. Enter. Now let's add another fillet to the bottom edge. 10 millimeters. Enter. Now let's apply a shell here. Show the preview and make it smaller. Just like that, set it to 5. Done! Now let's remove the section view and add a fillet here, here and here. About 2 millimeters. Enter. Oh, not about 2. Okay, so this is the kind of glass we have now. Now all that's left is to make the straw. Let's click on the plane on the right and the top. Here on top. Sketch. And we draw a circle there. Right here, right now. Exit the sketch. And extrude it. Make it bigger. Well, just like that. Enter. Now go ahead and click on Sketch, then select Convert Entities, and after that, exit the sketch. Next, extrude it by exactly 2 millimeters. Now click Angle 32. Okay, here, Sketch, Convert Entities. Extruded boss, angle, and change the direction. Enter. Now let's take a linear array. For the direction, select the top plane and what to arrange. Select this and this, and set the distance between instances to 2 millimeters. Because I selected 2 commands at once. And let's specify more instances. Enter. It didn't array them, so let's leave it as is and take another linear array. Specify the top plane here. Select, this is our linear array. Select it. Oops. Here, direction 2 is set. Top plane. Right here, it should be the top plane. And press enter, and now it has arrayed them. It has arranged the instances for our corrugation. It's just complaining that we didn't check the geometry pattern box. Let's enable edit our command and check that box. There, geometry pattern. Okay, and that's it. It's not complaining anymore. It would be better to make it reach all the way to the top though. But first, let's extend our tube after the corrugation. Convert entities. Exit sketch. We'll extradite you like this. Enter. And now let's make our corrugation a bit higher so that the bend is at the edge of the cup, not somewhere down below. Now, on the right plane, let's draw two lines. The first line is the one that will bend like this. Our tube will be attached to this line. Exit sketch. Sketch. And now let's draw the line along which everything will bend. We draw it like this, right at the spot where it will bend. And then we lead it off somewhere over there. Now here we add a fiat about 50 millimeters. Enter. Okay, exit sketch. Now we go to Insert Features Deform. Here it is. Now, the curve, we select the curve. And here we choose exactly the curve that will be deformed. And we select the curve along which the deformation will happen. Here's the sketch. And the object that will be attached to the curve, which will be deformed. Well, it doesn't look great right now, but the object has already started to take shape. Let's increase the deformation accuracy parameter and specify the curve direction. Enter. Let's hide both sketches. Hide this one. Ah, where is it here? Ah, here it is. Hide this one too. Now let's add the shell to our tube. And here. A millimeter on millimeter. One, there. Show preview. Yes, just like that. Okay. Now, let's take move copy bodies and place our tube inside the cup. We'll place it and lift it up a bit. Just a little over there. Let's uncheck the copy box. Okay. Now we get a cup like this. All that's left is to apply materials. Plastic. Here, let's choose this type of plastic. This is very similar to the material of the straw. It's like paper. Now let's go to organics and select diamond here. Because the glass here doesn't really look like glass. Just like that, we end up with a cup like this. This was Robert F. Tiffy with you. Bye bye everyone.